Namaste, dear students. Have you ever wondered why, as we age, we begin to feel more fatigued, our muscles weaken, and our minds seem less sharp? Science now reveals that the secret to maintaining youthful energy lies within our cells, in a powerful molecule called NAD, Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, and the tiny energy factories known as mitochondria. The role of NAD in aging. NAD is found in every living cell and plays a vital role in energy production that helps convert the food we eat into usable energy. DNA repair, it protects our cells from damage that accumulates over time. Longevity genes activation, NAD influences sirtuins, enzymes that regulate aging and stress resistance. However, as we age, our NAD levels decline, reducing the ability of our cells to generate energy and repair themselves. This leads to fatigue, cognitive decline, and increased susceptibility to disease. Mitochondria, the powerhouses of life. Mitochondria are the energy producers of our cells, generating the fuel our bodies need to function. But as NAD levels drop, mitochondrial function declines, leading to muscle weakness and slow recovery, brain fog and memory loss, increased inflammation and accelerated aging. Recent research from the University of Bergen reveals that mitochondria act as reservoirs for NAD, meaning that supporting mitochondrial health is essential for maintaining energy and slowing aging. How to boost NAD and AM? Protect mitochondria naturally. The good news is that NAD levels can be supported through lifestyle choices and natural compounds. Scientists have identified ways to enhance NAD and mitochondrial function, including fasting and AM. Calorie restriction triggers cellular repair and increases NAD production. Exercise stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, creating new energy-producing cells. Nutrients support foods rich in B vitamins, resveratrol, and polyphenols naturally enhance NAD levels. Supplements, compounds like nicotinamide riboside, NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, have been studied for their role in restoring NAD. By nourishing our mitochondria and maintaining NAD levels, we fuel our bodies with vitality, slow down cellular aging, and improve brain function. Tomorrow, we will explore a revolutionary area of longevity science, regenerative medicine. What if we could repair damaged tissues, regenerate organs, and even reverse aging at the cellular level? Until then, may your energy be strong and your mind clear.